Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video. We're on Old Harbor Road. Actually, we just came through Spanish Town bypass. Those of you familiar with Old Harbor Road, I'm going to make the right turn onto Featherbed Lane. Where am I going? I'm showing you a housing opportunity. We're excited about this one. What you offering, Tony? What you offering the people?
We're offering the houses, right?
Houses.
Single and duplex houses.
Right. So we're offering duplex 1 bedroom.
I know, someone called me the other day, you don't sell 1 bedroom houses. And I was at that point, I was like, not really. But now we do.
I couldn't tell when last I see a 1 bedroom house come up for sale. Well, you have it now, ladies and gentlemen. So it's 1 bedroom, giant house, as Jamaicans love to say. Semi-detached or duplex. So 2 sisters, 2 brothers want to live together, come together, guys. So these houses start at 10.5. That's for this 1 bedroom duplex.
Right.
And the 2 bedroom detached, meaning you can walk around your house. Them loves that. Miss Davis, I want to walk around my house. So those start at 13.5. Only have a few of those, so you got to call us right now. So we're now putting in the description. Click on that link, you'll get everything you need to know about the development, and you can also put in the application. But while we get there, Tony and Spanish Town has lots of memories for us.
Good memories too.
Yeah, this is
funny memories.
Funny memories. This is where I bought my first house. You remember the time when the place flooded out, Tony?
Somebody carried me on their back go home.
Oh my gosh. I think that man worked at stationery office supply. I must go and check him. But I can't remember his name.
If you tell him that story, he'll remember.
He'll remember. I mean, the man.
Because he met us out of nowhere.
We're on the road, struggling, because of course I didn't drive, people. I worked in New Kingston, I didn't drive. I had to jump on the $250,000 bus at the time. $250,000 bus, for those of you who don't know, those are the coaster buses. No, where they go? Yes.
Why they call them
$250,000? There must have been a $250,000 at the time.
Maybe.
And we had to struggle with. Never have AC bus like one I have now, you know. And on a sit down quite comfortable in an AC bus I go to work. We never had that. We had to struggle. Tony really make progress, you know.
Of course.
Really make progress, you know.
Even in my short lifespan, I've seen so many changes.
Yeah. Remember one time I had a Spanish Town. I drop off at the bus step and drop in at they had one of these manual things that didn't have a cover. Luckily, me never broke my foot. Me and Tony and I try to go up in at the bus and the doctor hold me and me just miss my step and boom, drop.
I remember those days.
Ladies and gentlemen, we had fun memories of Spanish Town. We used to come home pretty late though, because the buses were not frequent. We had to hitch up in at the park, Spanish Town, remember? And wait for a taxi.
Oh,
and when the taxi come, you have to run to the taxi. Oh my God!
And sometimes you couldn't even stand up at the front. You had to go all the way down to the end of the lane to catch a taxi as it come.
Yeah, and the taxi, man, I tell you now, where you had to be a little hustler for getting them taxi there, you know, man.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Taxi, I stand up on the foot.
I wait for people.
Beg
you for going.
Yeah, now pick, choose and refuse taxi now.
One taxi with AC, a taxi with music.
And taxi with air freshener.
Your taxi too old. I only want 7-seater.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come a far way. Now the JUTC even have an executive class bus.
Oh?
Yes. That goes through the community, pick you up. And you pay $100 and a little bit more. But it's only seated. Only seated, Tony. Can you imagine? You know, if you stand up on a couch with a man behind you and a man in front of you. Ladies, you don't remember those days?
Oh my God.
You want to get rid of this man from behind you and in front they can't. We have come a far way. Even our public transportation system. Congratulations to the successive governments who saw that we needed a change and gave us the change.
Yeah, even the transport center that we got in Halfway Tree.
Huge difference. Yeah, man, I love that transport center. I've been in there hanging out a couple times. It's a beautiful transport center. You have everything that you to your comfort in the center. Even bathroom facilities, all of that. So if you're in Halfway Tree, need bathroom facilities, go to the Halfway Tree Transport Center. It's nice and clean. Ladies and gentlemen, I've made the left turn. So I was on Featherbed Lane a while ago. I made the left turn onto St. John's Road here now, which is where the development is up the road. But Spanish Town, man. I bought my house in Fairview Park, which is to the right. So if I'd continued across the street, I would have been on Fairfield Road, and then that would have taken me to Fairview Park. Bought a nice little 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom.
It felt huge at the time.
Yeah, I remember. Every time they do, if you want ceramic tile, you have to pay separate. You know. It came with carpet, right?
Alright.
If you wanted a bath, you had to pay separate.
Did we have a bath?
Yes, I paid for a bath because I had you were young, so I said, okay, let me go with a bath. If you want a driveway, no friend, you have to pay separate, you know.
We didn't have a driveway.
We didn't have a driveway. So when rain fall, we step out into the mud. No, I get washroom attached to house. No washroom. I get a little wash tub outside. Better go there. 5 o'clock in the morning, we used to go out there and wash.
You remember the frogs?
And the frogs. Oh my gosh. When we come in the evening time, there were these frogs on our front of the door. But we stayed there. I paid 100. I think it's 200,000 I paid. I must go look it up. But I know I borrowed 175,000 from Victoria Mutual at the time. Victoria Mutual gave me the loan. But I tell you, the drama people, when we get at the loan, them boy, me I'm telling you, say God is good. You see, when you step out for do something, on the door, make the devil come in front of you.
True.
Me hear una call me and they say, oh, Miss D, you know, so I go NHT. And the lady I tell me this and lady I tell me that. And me just come out of the place and no bother. Oh, you for do that?
Just ask more questions.
How you for do that? How a little birdie or a little angel for say to yourself, go down at NHT. NHT have some house to sell. Or Miss Davis come and say, sign up your National Housing Trust so you can get your 6.5 million and buy a house. And how you for go now at the place? And a one man tell you say, you can't. Oh, this and that, and you must do this, and you can't do this, and you can't do that. And you turn back. Why you for do that? Eh? When you step out for do something, and the creator show you the path and show you the way, keep going.
Step out and do it.
Yes. What happened to the faith? When the faith too weak, step out and do it. When I did step out, and my friend said, Claudia, buy a house. Don't rent no house. I tell you something, take it on. And I tell you, I start look for a house and I couldn't afford. I look for a house, you know. I'm telling you, say, it's a boy, I'm telling you, say.
But the funny thing is that God put a lot of people in your path to show you the way. And so when you turned out,
I say the man, I have a friend in my office named Richard Coley. Big up to Richard. Richard kept saying to me, you know, Claudia, my sister buy a house at Fairview Park, you know, why you not go buy one? Because I know you tell everybody in your office say you look house to buy. But I say, I not go to Spanish Town, Richard. I not go to Spanish Town. Dismiss me not Tonian. Dismiss the youth. And I say, after me one of my famous walking up and down again, I couldn't find nothing. Then I deck sit down now. I'm speaking the Jamaican language because I'm excited, people. I hope you can understand me. So I'm sitting at my desk and my boss came over to me. He said, Miss Davis, what's the matter? You look so. I said, boy, Mr. Squire, big up to Mr. Squire too. Mr. Squire said, Island Homes have some house I sell at Fairview Park. Why you not go look for one of them? I said, Mr. Squire, I'm not going up. He said, go and go look for the house and the office just right at YMCA.
Rough you up.
Rough me up. So I get up and I go walk from New Kingston, go to YMCA. And I looked at the house and I map people. I know me not go at the location. I just look on the map. I said, she said, well, I've peg, gone. When I have no peg, don't gone. And I better believe, said Claudia, turn back. I come outside and I said, show me no want no Spanish Town. Tony and I come outside and I go across the street. YMCA cross for come back in a New Kingston. And the car them a bug me out, I couldn't cross. And I said, I stand up there and talk to myself. And people, me still talk to myself this day. So if you see me, you're not going to see me and talk to myself. I say, Claudia, you know, come yourself to buy a house. You come yourself to buy a house. Alright, so this is the turn here where I'm going. This is going to be some of your new house. If you notice, I pass Green Acres on the right. And I'm coming down onto this road, which is... What's the name of this road again?
Bellevue.
Bellevue. So the Bellevue Heights community is down here, right? Anyway, people, when me talk to myself and me said, Claudia, come for buy a house where you turn back for. Go back into the place and go choose a lot. So I'm here bad up myself now. So I turn back and I go in and I say, alright, give me 657. So I said to the lady, 657 at the back of the scheme still. So I said to her, what is back there? I said, Winters Park. She said, oh, it's another community. People, me telling her next time what was Winters Park. When I reached there. Those of you who know Fairview Park, you know it was actually Winters Pen, people, not no Winters Park. But anyway, I bought that house. I was at the back of the scheme. Lots of adventures. That was where we get the flood out. Because them never clean them drain. And me tell you, a big rain come, they are run through for me and they are everywhere flood out the whole place.
I felt like it was just our yard that flood out.
No, the whole scheme.
Our neighbors still?
So, yeah, because it come, the whole water rush and come down, you know.
But didn't he come inside our house?
Yeah, because I say people come through the side door and come in. Alright, so we're at the site. That will be some of you. It will be your home, some of you, right? I need to pause here, so. We're at the site. We're going to get out and show you.
And what I like is that we're right at the start. So anybody coming now going to be at the forefront of this development.
At the forefront. Oh yeah, I use big word. At the forefront. I like that. Ladies and gentlemen, when I bought my house in Fairview Park, and me first living at the house there. No house never built. Me look on the map, me choose 657. That was the number me choose. Me never look on the house. Some of you now will come and look at the location because Miss Davis show you where it's going to be. You will also look at the design and all of that. But when I bought, I never even know where it was. As a matter of fact, when I actually did go and look where the house was, I started to bawl when I saw what was Winters Park. But me get over the wall of that. Nothing like that never fazed me. I'm moving on my 2-bedroom house with my daughter.
It's good to say you didn't go back and take away your money.
Good to me never go back because guess what? People me need for showing her the place, you know, but me have to tell her this. So maybe buy my house at 200, I must say, 200,000. My friend's sister bought hers for must say 100 or something thousand. Cross the street, Tony was phase 3. For 250,000 phase 3 come for 6 months later after me moving.
Oh no.
So you see, me never buy that. The house there, me couldn't buy it again.
Would have been homeless.
Homeless. Ladies and gentlemen, I see you inside.
Freedom! So fresh, so new. Freedom! It's all for you. All for you. Freedom! Keep your ear to the ground. Talking about the freedom. It's the best show in town. Best show in town. Freedom! Well. Everybody, young, old, all you lovers, this is our time to rise back from the sand and claim our freedom. Talking about the freedom.